Welcome to the AITube Business Center overview. Once your initial profile setup is complete, the dashboard serves as your centralized command center to manage campaigns, sponsorships, billing, and workspace settings. Launching an ad campaign takes just 5 streamlined steps. Initiating the campaign from the left navigation panel, click Campaigns, then select New Campaign. For this demonstration, we will continue with an existing draft to walk through each configuration stage. Step 1. Campaign Basics. Define a clear, identifiable name for your campaign. Select your primary advertising objective, whether that is driving conversions and signups, increasing brand awareness, boosting engagement, or generating web traffic. Specify your designated call to action, enter the target destination URL, and include a concise campaign description before clicking Continue. Step 2. Ad formats. Choose your desired ad placements across available channels, including video feed ads, shorts ads, threads ads, or banner ads. Step 3. Creative Builder. Upload your media assets for each selected format. Customize the thumbnail, headline, primary call to action, destination link, and supporting ad copy. The dynamic preview panel on the right updates in real time, allowing you to review visual fidelity across all placements. Step 4. Audience and targeting. Set your core demographic parameters by specifying target countries, regions, age brackets, genders, and supported languages. Expand into advanced targeting controls to reach creators based on the specific generative AI tools they actively use, such as Sora, Runway, Midjourney, and ChatGPT. Step 5. Budget, billing, and launch. Set your daily budget limits along with the scheduled start and end dates. Select your preferred billing mode and confirm your payment method. On the final review and launch screen, perform a final validation of your creatives, considering the preview of your ad formats you selected. And make sure everything is ready. Once confirmed, click Save and Submit to publish your campaign.